Well, good morning, everybody. So, I got a lot to do. I got to fix TARDIS's wheel back there before I go to work. Today, I could actually go to work today. Because I was worried that I couldn't do it because there was no time slots. And plus, for DoorDash, there wasn't anything, like, it wasn't even showing red last time I looked. But this morning, I got my, I got it where I could actually dash today. So, which I don't have to dash till 4:30 to 11. Right now I'm going to do I'm going to be working a lot till everybody tells me because of the coronavirus to just stop, and then just go from there. So that's me. I even told my mom, I was like, so I got this plan, and I'm going to be doing it, and it should be interesting. My first day at Amazon Flex was interesting too. But what we've learned about it is that it's going to wear and tear the car a little bit more than if I was doing DoorDash. What's the difference between Amazon Flex and DoorDash is, well, a lot. But the driving is also different. Come with me. DoorDash, I could stay at the house and continue cleaning the house if I needed to. Or do whatever I was planning to do with the house while I'm still on the clock for DoorDash. And just wait till I get something nearby. Right? What we've learned from yesterday, because DoorDash, their miles that I get to do is about from 18 miles to about 20 miles on the car, depending on the day and how far I've been going. It's not that bad, Mostly I do restaurants around Halton City. Sometimes I do it along Beach Street over there, and occasionally, depending on where my last customers are at. Usually I do in the medical district or TCU. So, it's not bad. I'm trying to stay away from downtown though. But see, it's not that bad. Now, yesterday, after I was done with Amazon, I thought I was heading to Dallas right after I left. She got scared of the car over there. Tub shed car over there, splashing water all over the place. But anyway, what we've learned is that when everything was said and done with Amazon Flex, because there is pros and cons about it, TARDIS did about 90 miles for delivery. Anyway, yeah, TARDIS did about 90 miles for delivery of Amazon Flex. That's a lot. It's about maybe 5 miles from the house to the warehouse that I went to, and then give or take a couple more miles to the first address to go, and plus getting the flat tire didn't help either. So, all that saying, is it worth doing Amazon Flex right now? Depending on what car you have. Obviously, with my Honda Odyssey, I can't really do it. Because number one, it's a little bit old. Number two, for Amazon Flex, you probably have to get a car that you can actually drive with more miles on it. So, like a Subaru or a Honda that's a little bit newer that can take the extra miles. Or a Chevy, or I don't know, whatever car that can take extra miles. I mean, according to Amazon Flex, the car is good for large packages and stuff.